Set by the Tagus River and inserted in an intelligent building created by Aires Mateus Valsassina architects, this elegant apartment with 526 square meters gross area offers serenity and elegance, combining the city lifestyle with the calmness of the Tagus River. The welcoming entrance suggests a glimpse of this eclectic apartment, leading to a spacious living room and a chill-out area, both with side views to the river, capturing the unique morning light of Lisbon. This is a functional concept apartment with high-end finishings where life gets easy within a perfect balance of privacy and comfort. A second circulation through the kitchen with direct access to the garage creates an independent service area with laundry room, service room and bathroom. Enjoy your meals in the dining room with connection to the kitchen or in the inviting terrace for an enjoyable sunset along the peaceful atmosphere of this luxury building. The large social area is followed by 4 ensuite. Each bedroom has its own walk-in closet space and access to the outside area. All bathrooms are shaped in marble and have heated floors for your convenience. The apartment climax is the large master suite with 32 square meters, a big walk-in closet, and a spacious bathroom with shower and bathtub. With a high level of energetic rate, this exclusive apartment offers a perfect temperature in all areas for your comfort during winter to summer seasons. It is equipped with ventiloconvectors air-conditioned, roofs are intelligent shutters, double glass thermal and soundproof windows, last generation LED lights, solar panels for water heating. A forever home with forever views for a perfect lifestyle.